limitless. Huwag natin limitahan yung ating sarili. Huwag natin i-diet yung ating sarili. Okay lang sa pagkain na mag-diet. Pero pagdating sa mga achievement natin, don't limit ourselves. As long as we are happy, as long as wala tayong naaapakan na ibang tao, as long as wala tayong nagagamit na isang tao, as long as nakakatulong tayo sa environment, nakakatulong tayo sa ibang tao, keep going. Keep doing what makes you happy. Don't limit yourself. Kasi, you have the opportunity to do it. Kasi one day na hindi na natin kaya, wala na. Hindi na natin magagawa yung gusto natin dahil we cannot able to do it. Maybe biglang magkasakit or biglang merong mangyari. So wala na chance. Wala. But for